Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing immediate stress on the battery. Enable optimized battery charging so iOS learns your routine and limits peak 100% time. Then, plug in before you hit 20% and stop around 80%. This reduces chemical strain and prolongs cycles. Use a certified 20W or stronger charger and a proper cable. Otherwise, heat and unstable current will accelerate aging. Once set, make these habits automatic. They are the foundation that slows capacity loss over months and years. Now refine how you use the phone to lower wear. Update iOS so battery management improvements apply, and restrict background app refresh for battery-heavy apps. Lower screen brightness and use auto lock at 30 to 60 seconds to cut cycles from the display. Critically, avoid extremes. Charging or operating above 35 degrees Celsius speeds degradation, and cold reduces immediate capacity. If you must charge in heat, remove the case or pause charging to let the device cool. These steps reduce internal stress. Finally, monitor and respond. Check battery health and peak performance capability each month to spot decline early. If you see rapid percentage drops, abnormal heat, or physical swelling, stop charging and contact Apple support or an authorized service provider. Those are signs of failure, not just aging. Meanwhile, enable low power mode when needed, switch email from push to fetch, and inspect the battery graph to identify offending apps. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot and test in safe mode like conditions to isolate software drains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.